Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Home Automation X channel. This is another unboxing giveaway. Yes, we are giving back to our viewers. Thank you so much. Without our subscribers, we would be nothing, and that's why we will always share all the products that we review with you all. And all I ask is for you guys to make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel, and if you yet haven't, please check out our Patreon account, and let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start off with number one, and just so you know, if you would like to enter this giveaway, make sure you check out the links down below in the description box. And we are going to be giving away everything to one lucky winner. So let's start off with our first product here. So we have, obviously I'm gonna have to read off my little script here, so don't mind my terrible video skills right now. This is the 4K action camera by Unreal. It can record your video in 4K Ultra HD at 30 frames per second, or choose other multiple formats. It's Wi-Fi with a touchscreen display, and it is also waterproof up to 30 meters underwater. You can use an SD card for up to 128 gigs, and you can also control this action camera through your phone or your app, or your 2.4G HZ wireless remote control watch. Interesting. The Wi-Fi signal ranges up to 10 meters, ideally for water sports like swimming, drifting, surfing, etc. Whatever gets wet, you know. Okay, so that's that. And let's move on to our second item. This guy down here, the bigger one. It's like Christmas, you know, like Home Automation likes to make sure our giveaways are like Christmas. We like to give away a whole bunch of stuff because, let's not get it twisted, when you just win one item, it's not as fun. Of course it's not, right? Remember that time when you were a little kid and Santa only gave you one present under the tree? All right, so what do we have here? Okay, this is probably my favorite item from this whole entire giveaway. I personally was begging to keep it, but you know, I'm nice and I'm gonna give it to you guys. This is a digital smart scale by eTechCity. It works with the, let me just place that there, show you guys as I speak. I promise I'm not trying to break it on purpose because I'm jealous, okay? So it works with, okay, let me start this all over again. This digital smart scale by eTechCity works with VSync app and can sync your body composition with Fitbit, Apple Health, and Google Fit. It allows you to create 8-member profiles to track your family's fitness. It calculates your weight, your body fat, your BMI, your water, and a lot more to track your health and achieve weight loss goals. It's a great smart Bluetooth scale for up to 400 pounds, and we might do a dedicated video on this. Let us know what you guys think. If you want to see a dedicated video on it, you guys will find out all my detailed metrics about my body. Yeah, leave a comment and let me know if you want to see that. I don't want that one to break, so I'm being nice and placing it nicely, you know. All right, so what is our next item here? Number 3. Okay. So number 3 is these packs of 4 smart Wi-Fi 15 amp switches. And these are by GhostSund. It works with the Amazon Echo and Google Home devices. Can you imagine how many LED lights you can control with these switches, guys? One switch can easily control 10 LED bulbs. You can remote control your lights with your phone or your tablet and easily connect them with the Smart Life app as well. So let me just show you how one looks. As you can see, the wires are on the back, and this is the cute little switch. So that's that. And moving on to numero 4. Okay. right, so number 4, this is the Smart Power Strip, also by GoSund, and this works well with the Amazon Echo and Google Home. It comes with 3 Wi-Fi outlets with surge protection and 3 USB charging ports. So you can see right over here, you can charge your cell phones, tablets, and other USB gadgets at the exact same time. Nobody's fighting over charging anymore, eh? All right, numero 5. Number 5. What do we have in number 5? So remember guys, if you want to enter into this giveaway and win all of these items, make sure you check out the link down below. We have the details on how you can do that. All right, so number 5, these are the smart plugs. These are the 4-pack by GoSund. Let me take one out. And as you can see, they are 16 amp mini sockets with timer and surge protector. Control your electrical items through your phone app wherever you are. They're compatible with the Amazon Echo, Google Home, and the IFTTT. You can get ready, have a smart home, and create customized schedules to automatically turn on or off any home electronics or appliances such as lamps, humidifiers, coffee makers. Girls, you can turn off your straightener if you ever forget. You know how we do. You don't want anything crazy happening at home, so it helps keep your home safe as well. I like that. So number 6, we are on our second last item. And what do we have here? Number 6, these are smart bulbs. These are the 4-pack by Tantan. They are compatible with the Amazon Echo, Google Assistant. They are dimmable and are very bright, rated at 800 lumens, and they have 16 million colors plus soft white as well. No hub is required, and you can easily pair them up with the app. All right, we're moving on to our last item. Last but not least, number 7. Number 7 are these smart plugs. They're a pack of 2. They are also by Tantan, and they work with the Alexa and the Google Home as well. You can set schedules for your smart socket to automatically turn on and off your electronics, such as your humidifier, electric kettle, coffee maker, lamps. You get the gist of it. And these ones are like this. These ones are better for one socket at a time, rather than the other ones. You can kind of put them one on top of the other. But yeah, so that is wrapping up the end of our giveaway. But before you guys do go, please don't forget to check out the rest of our videos here on the right if you yet haven't. And if you guys would like to see any detailed videos on any of these items, we do have the links provided down below. And also, if you found this video useful and you would like to share this giveaway with your friends and your family, don't forget to share this on their social media. Once again, guys, it's a great pleasure having you on this channel, and this is our way to say thank you. So please stay tuned for our next giveaway. For now, happy winning.